these two colors, and I will be mixing them up to make like
coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win.
Hi everybody, it's your girl Mendys, and I'm back with another video. This video will be Halloweek day 6, you guys. We're almost there, but I'm still enjoying myself every single day. For new people to my channel, welcome. Make sure that you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below what you want to see in my next video. Let's get started. I've already done my eyebrows. Now I will set my eyes with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color 83. Now I will use my loose powder to set my concealer. Since I'm going to use really bright colors for this video, I'm going to use the LA Pro Concealer with the white color that I used in previous videos also, and this will just help the colors to pop out even more. I'm gonna make little dots because if I make like just one line, you can blend it out because it will be color on white and color on the concealer, so you will definitely see that. I will use the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm going in with the color blue. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing, but with the color purple. Okay, I still will be doing the same thing, but I'm using the color green. You don't even have to come all the way down with the colors, because I will do a cut crease. I don't even know why I've done it, but we're already here. Okay, as last color, I will be using yellow. I'm going in with this color to add a little bit of shine to it, and I'm going in on my brow bone, but I will keep going like farther and farther. Now I will be using this brush to blend the color out. Okay, now I'm going to make a cut crease with the LA Pro Concealer in the color 79. going to use some glitter, and I'm going to use these two glitters. I don't know if you can see it good on camera, but let me open them up. These two colors, and I will be mixing them up to make like, I will be using some lash glue to apply the glitter, and I'm just using the cut crease as my guideline. Now that my eyes are almost finished, I will be applying some false eyelashes. Now I'm going back in with the colors, just for a little finishing touch. Okay, now I will be doing my face. I'm going to use the Douglas Rough Out Foundation in the color medium brown. I'm just going to do the half of my face. Now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color 83. And I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend everything out. I'm using my PS Perfect Color Concealer to contour my face. Now I'm going to use my PS Perfect Color Loose Powder to set my concealer. Now I'm using the NYX palette once again to do my under eye. And I'm going in with a little bit of blue. A little bit of purple. A little bit of green. And last but not least, a little bit of yellow. Now I'm going to do the rest of my face, and I will be painting my face white. I'm going to use the famous face paint palette that I used in all my Halloween videos, and I'm just going in with the color white. I'm going to use this brush in number 12. Okay, now I will be using my Douglas foundation. I'm going to mix it with the Black Opal True color, and I'm getting this brush to make the dripping effect. Now I will be using a flat brush to blend everything out. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm going to use the beauty blender that I used before. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. If you guys liked it, which I hope you did, thumbs up for this video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be the first one to see one of my new videos. Mwah.